Alright, so today we're doing my first legitimately dangerous, deadly tree. And it is this pine. Don't know how rotten it is, really. Original plan was to climb this oak next to it, limb walk out, take out those branches that are mixed up together. But with how wet it is today, and also not really any good tie-in points, really too wet to be limb walking out that far at such a steep angle. So not going to do that. We're just going to fell it, and it's going to get caught up a little bit, but we have room. We're going to be pulling it, wanting it to drop this way, but it'll probably get hung up and come this way. But there are some hangers up there. So I'm going to take my hatchet and start kind of going around the trunk, see how much actual solid wood is in there to even make a hinge that'll hold. And also just give it some shocks with the other side to see if the vibrations will knock out any of those dead limbs or hangers. I'd rather have them fall out then than come down on me when I'm cutting it down. But the plan is to just do a regular notch coming from the backside, but I'm going to leave enough wood in there for it not to come over, because I don't want to be anywhere near when it starts coming down. So we're going to set up a 5-to-1 on this tree and just cut it enough to where we can snap it and pull it. So that's what the plan is. Let's see if it actually works. Jeez. Keep a heads up and yell if you see something falling. Feeling about it?
Pretty damn good. Hold it down.
Alright, so on the setup we have here, my porta wrap, and the eye on this beaner wasn't quite, or this threaded beaner wasn't quite big enough to go around the porta wrap, so I put my Dyneema straps on there. Got 2 sets of fiddle blocks, so if we 2-block, which I'm assuming we will do, we can pull from here. We got a fritch in there in case we need to capture and reposition. We do have those hangers up there and the limbs that are crossed over with these oaks, so pulling it down, it's going to get caught up. It's probably going to start coming this way, but we're planning for that, so we should be good to go. Let's get started. Alright, you guys want to pull on that bottom pulley. Not super hard, but just a little more tension.
Yeah.
I'll hold it. It's already cracking. Go kind of this way so we're in line with that lock.
All together.
All right, 1, 2, 3.
Man, I did not think it would do that. Took down that whole thing.
Yeah. Hey, you know what? We're safe. Nobody's hurt. It's on the ground.
Yeah.
It's a success in my book. Wow.